Update the latest version of Google Chrome. By keeping Chrome up to date, you're protected by the latest security updates. Here's how to check if you're on the most recent version. If you need to update Chrome on your iPhone or iPad, here are the steps. First, open the App Store. At the top right corner, tap Profile and scroll to Available Updates to search for Chrome. If Chrome is listed, tap Update to get the latest version. If you don't see Chrome, you're on the latest version and good to go. On Android phone or tablet, here's how to update Chrome. On your phone or tablet, open Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Then, Manage Apps and Device. Under Updates Available, look for Chrome. If an update is available, just tap Update to install the latest version.